reality, okay, can exist without its opposite. Okay. Alright? Okay, so I hope you understand that. Okay, so we're being monitored energetically. They can see us anywhere we go. Okay, alright, yes. So contrary to how you're educated, India is the cradle of civilization. Where all religions started, as well as the technologies and ideologies are spread across the globe. Harsh truth. All opposite of what you were taught in school and what you are being taught in social media, or what the hierarchy of powers are presenting to you or trying to indoctrinate you into. Why? Because, of course, in any kind of movie, the leading actor is always presented as the good guy. Okay, so in any part of the lands of this planet, okay, they try to represent their country as better than the other, because it's, like I said, it's a competition of landlords. Okay, but the origin is the same. If you look at the flags of each country, it's a dead giveaway. Okay, you can see the symbolism that they're using all come from one origin. Okay, so in your in television, in your social media, you are and the school, they all push that everything came from Mesopotamia, and the only ancient civilization is Egypt. But the actuality is, the civilization in the Indus Valley was highly technologically more developed. Okay, so I'm about to lose power. So I think, all right, I think we're gonna do a part two of this. Yeah. Okay. So I hope you learned a lot from. Okay, there's part two. So I'll see you on the next video. Okay. Thank you for watching.